Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen. Got a little, I don't know if this is doing a tip, alright? There's toilet seats doing that, okay? We've popped that up. Probably gonna need the same under there. But this is just a temporary. We got, yeah. We've got a bowl cap, drilled a hole through it, got our bolt through it. Now we're gonna tighten it down and see if that works as a temporary fix. Can you see? I don't know if you can see underneath there. I'm not even gonna go underneath. I'm just gonna hold it. Hopefully you can see it. Right, so we're gonna tighten that down. Yeah, you can see it. What a mess. Let me get back to you. Hold on. Okay, there you are. Tightened it down. As you can see, there's no movement in there. So I'm just gonna click that back over. And I'm happy with that. Clear up the mess until we can get a washer. That's just a temporary emergency fix. Alright, so from Tradespeople Tips, once again, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. See ya.